Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and today I'll be guiding you through this 20-minute yoga flow. We'll be doing no standing poses today, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and meet me on your mat in child's pose. So bring your big toes to touch, bring your knees out wide to the sides of your mat, and send your hips back. Reach your arms forward, pressing your hands down into the mat, and place your forehead down. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, sigh it out. Take another full breath in. Exhale, full breath out through the mouth. Take one more deep breath in. One more deep breath out. Then seal your lips and continue to breathe in and out through your nose. This is called your Ujjayi breath. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, allow any tension to release from your body. If you notice any thoughts in your mind, return your awareness back to your breath. Continue to breathe here, connecting with your breath. Take another deep breath in. Deep breath out. Then start to lift your forehead off the mat. And then reach your right arm underneath your left arm, threading the needle here. Bring your right cheek down to the mat. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. 4 more rounds of breath here. Inhale, exhale, inhale for 3, exhale, inhale for 2, exhale, 1 more inhale, 1 more exhale. And start to return your right hand back down to the mat, reaching it forward. Then slide your left arm underneath your right arm for thread the needle. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. 4 more rounds of breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Another inhale, another exhale. 1 more inhale. One more exhale. Start to lift your head off the mat and slowly find your way into a tabletop position here. Bringing your wrists directly beneath your shoulders and knees directly beneath your hips. And we'll do a few cat-cows to warm up the spine. So on the inhale, drop your belly, head comes up for cow. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to chest cat. Take another inhale to cow. Exhale, round your spine for cat. And do a few more of these at your own pace, linking breath with movement here. So on the inhale for your cow, and exhale for your cat. Maybe you want to flip the wrists here so that your fingertips face your knees. Or you can even make some circular motions with your chest here. Any extra movements you'd like to add to your cat-cow. And if you circle one way, make sure to circle the other way as well. Breathing in, breathing out. Then finding some stillness here, return your wrists back so that your fingertips are facing the front. And from here, we'll do puppy pose. So walk your hands forward. And then bring your forehead down to the mat here. Or if you'd like to go even further, you can bring your chest and your chin down to the mat. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Three rounds of breath here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Take another inhale, another exhale. And slowly start to make your way back to your tabletop. And then from here, step your right foot outside of your right wrist. So we're in lizard pose here. Keeping your arm on the inside of your right leg. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Another inhale, another exhale. Take one more full breath in and one more full breath out. And start to bring the outer edge of your right foot down to the mat. Use your right hand to push your right knee away from you. Option to stay here, or you can reach behind you and grab your left foot. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Two more breaths here. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale, one more exhale. Release the back foot if you have it. And bring your right knee back to your tabletop. And then we'll step the left foot outside the left wrist for your lizard pose here. And we'll hold for 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more inhale, one more exhale. Then bring the pinky toe edge of your left foot down to the mat. Use your left hand, push your left knee away. Stay here or grab your right foot with your left hand for a quad stretch. And we're here for 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more inhale, one more exhale. Release the back foot and return yourself back to your tabletop here. And then lower your chest down to the mat. Bring your forearms down in front of you, making sure your elbows are underneath your shoulders here. And make sure that your toenails are touching the mat here for your Sphinx pose. And gently gaze between your hands here. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Another inhale, another exhale. One more inhale, one more exhale. Then lower your forehead down. And then from here, turn your fingertips out to the sides of your mat so your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. Press the tops of your feet down. And then on an inhale, we'll lift our chest up. And exhale, lower your forehead back down. And we'll do 2 more like this. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. One more exhale. Then place your hands by your rib cage here. hugging your elbows in towards your sides here, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Inhale, lift your chest up for a low cobra. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out as you lower your forehead back down. One more cobra here. So on the inhale, lift your head up and your chest. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. One more breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Lower your forehead back down. And then from here, find your way back into your tabletop. And then start to slide your right knee behind your right wrist here so that we're in pigeon pose. Straighten out the left leg behind you. Then from here, lengthen the spine for a little bit. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Option to grab the left foot here. So we reach back, we hook the left foot inside the left elbow here. We take a full breath in, full breath out. Lower the back foot down if you have it. Walk your hands forward, stack your palms on top of each other, and rest your forehead down on your hands. And take this time to connect with your breath here. We'll do 5 rounds of breath here at your own pace. Bring your hands directly beneath your shoulders here, lifting up your chest. And then slide your left foot around you so that your right foot is on the inside of your left thigh. And then from here, turn towards your left foot here. So flex your left foot, lengthen your spine here, and slowly walk your hands forward over your left leg here for janu sirsasana. Trying to bring your head to your knee here. You can grab the left foot here. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another inhale. Another exhale. One more inhale. One more exhale. Then slowly start to walk your hands backwards, lifting up your chest. And then place your right hand by your right hip. Inhale as you lift your hips up for stargazer. And exhale as you lower your hips back down. And we'll do pigeon on the other side. So send your left knee behind your left wrist, straightening out the right leg behind you. Inhaling as you open up the chest here. And you can grab the right foot here. So we reach back and bring the right foot on we hook the right foot on the inside of the right elbow. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. And then lower the right foot back down, walk your hands forward, stack your hands on top of the other, and rest your forehead down on your hands. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. 5 more rounds of breath here. Slowly start to bring your hands back down to the mat, bringing your hands beneath your shoulders, lifting your chest up, and then swinging your right leg. Bring your right leg forward so that your left foot's on the inside of your right thigh. You turn towards the right foot. The right foot is flexed. And then walk your hands over your right leg here. Bringing your head to knee here for janu sirsasana. You can grab the right foot or micro bend the right knee. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Then slowly start to lift your head up, lifting your chest up. Place your left hand by your left hip. Then inhale as you lift your hips up for stargazer. And exhale as you lower your hips back down. And then from here, bring yourself down onto your back. Hug your knees in towards your chest. And gently rock side to side, massaging your spine. And then releasing your legs down for your final resting pose, Savasana. Extending the legs, bring your toes out to the sides, laying your palms to face up towards the sky, and gently closing your eyes. And you can stay here for as long as you'd like, or end your practice here. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. My name is Sarah. Namaste.